Also, let me share the screen with you.
Okay, thank you. No, this date.
So everybody can see my screen, or there is the issue.
If you need to
No, okay, man.
no pay.
Very, ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരാളും കൂടി വരി.
This is the balance for
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
You can go to other.
Hello.
Yes, they are showing this one in the screen, Mr. Shanid.
So shall we start now?
We receive, look, quantity received, billed.
Okay.
Okay. You can go to other one. Other one, yes. No. Okay.
Yeah.
Request for quotation. Request for quotation. Yes.
There is
Another one.
يعني هذا شغل واي فاي شغل كله واحد لازم في
bill date.
So can we start right now?
Yes, dear, we can start. We are waiting to start.
Okay, because there is some people are joining right now. Okay,
One
so
minute.
we will start right now the training.
Hello,
The screen is shared with you guys. Can you see my screen, or is there any issue?
So let's see. It's okay. Clear.
Okay.
Yeah,
We have, this is the user interface.
Okay.
Okay, we have several applications we can use, like discuss, save, the inventory, purchase, accounting, calendar, products, contacts, dashboard, payroll. All the application we can use it for our workflow. Okay,
Okay.
we will discuss the old applications we have right now to show you how it works and how it will help us in our work.
Yes, new
Okay.
bill.
Okay.
Amount. No.
So at the first place, we have a discuss application. Okay. باشمهندس اسلام، انتوا معايا ولا؟
Start.
You start, Hossa.
Oh,
Actually, I am started, but I can't recognize the voice.
Hello, Mr. Nauman. Hello.
sorry.
Nauman, Sultan, Shanid, எல்லாரும் மியூட் ஆக்குது, வாய்ஸ் வேண்டா.
Okay, sorry.
நீங்க ஷாப் க்ளோஸ் ஆக்கி நீங்க அந்த கஸ்டமர் இதாக்குன மீட்டிங்ல இருக்கீங்க தான் போய் பந்த் ஆக்கிட்டே. രണ്ടാടത്ത് മുണ്ട് വന്നു ഒന്ന് ട്രെയിനിങ്ങിൽ ഇരിക്കില്ല കസ്റ്റമറിന്റെ അടുത്ത് ഇരിക്കി. Okay, dear, we can start. Right now, no one will speak.
Okay. So we have this application in our user interface. All this application has several access rights depending on the workflow of the persons who will assign the tasks to do. Okay. At the first place, we have a discuss application right here. Discuss application is like WhatsApp. We can send the files, we can receive files in public or in private channels. We can chat with each other privately or in general. Okay, and also we can exchange sending the files to each other if required. Okay, so that this application is like exactly WhatsApp. Okay, we have sales application and inventory application, purchase application. Okay, so that let's start with inventory. Okay, we can create several warehouses depending on how many branches we have. and how many warehouses we already also have. We can create several warehouses from here, configuration warehouses. Okay, we can create our warehouses,
Yes.
and also location. We can create a location under this warehouse if we have several locations for the warehouses. Okay. We also here have a product list we already have on the system. Okay, we have 6,139 products in our system. Okay. This is the all main data for this item, for example. Okay, we have this item 12UB60X60. Okay, this is the product name. The product type is a storable product. Okay, we should have a balance for this product in our warehouses so that we will select the product type as storable product. Okay, we are selling this item in units, and also we are purchasing this item in units. Okay, we can set the sales price here. For example, let's take this product copy. Okay, for example, its price will be 100 riyal. Okay, the VAT will be applied every time we will select the product for selling. Okay, the cost will be automatically computed during the purchase and the transaction of the end of this product. Okay, we have also the internal reference for this product in our records. In our system, we have the international barcode. If found, we can fulfill it in the product master data. Okay.
This one.
Also, we can assign this product to a specific branch. It will be allowed in a specific branch, and the other branch will not be allowed. Okay.
The quantity received.
Also, we have here the internal note. This is the note for or description for the product. Okay. Also here we have purchase. If we purchase item from several vendors, it will be recorded in here. Okay. If we here in the inventory also we have the logistics data like weight, volume, things like that. Okay. Let's do purchase application to make a purchase order, for example. Okay, we have here the purchase application. We can select a new.
Send and receive it.
Okay. Here we can select our vendor. For example, Cement.
We need to pay them some balance.
Okay. Add a product.
100.
Okay.
Confirm.
Here is the product we want to buy. Okay, the quantity here, for example, will be 100.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the unit price, for example, will be 80.
Then need payment for him.
No, I thought I want to make an open file.
Open balance. Oh.
شو السلام؟
ايه
المايك عندكم لان تقريبا انتوا بتتكلموا في موضوع جانبي يعني.
sorry please.
Okay. So that we selected our product we want to buy, we selected the vendor, okay, the quantity and the unit price we want to buy. Okay, so that we will save and we will confirm the order. Once I confirm the order, there is automatically delivery note created on the purchase and also will be found in the inventory application. For example, here in receipts for the main warehouse, we have 1-2 process. Okay. We have here the product which the quantity which requested from the vendor and the quantity should be received. Okay. and also the vendor name received from vendor name, and also the source document is PO number. Okay. If when I'm going to receive the quantity I requested from the vendor, I will click on validate. Okay, that means I received the total quantity for this product, which the vendor sent. If I go back to purchase PO8, okay, we're gonna find here that the quantity I requested is 100, and the quantity I received is also 100. So that it's time to create the vendor bill. Okay, we will click on create bill. This is the bill number. Okay, we will set also the bill date. Okay, we can set the bill reference for the, for example, vendor bill. Okay. Here is the journal entry which will be created. Okay, it reflected also the VAT. Okay, so that I will make a quick revision for the invoice. If everything is fine, I will click on confirm. Okay. So that now the balance is added to the vendor. If we check the balance here, we're gonna find it. It's a credit with 9,200 is the value of this invoice for this vendor. Okay. So if I want to pay for this vendor, we can click on register payment for the invoice or the vendor bill which we created. We can click on register payment. We will select the journal which we paid from. We paid from bank or cash or custody or petty cash, whatever. Okay, so for example, we paid bank. We paid 9,000. Okay. Here in the description, we can set the a memory for the or a description for this operation. Okay. For example, payment for this invoice. Okay. So that when I selected the amount, for example, is 9,000. Okay, there is only 200 still remaining in the balance. So that the system is asking me, if you want to keep it open, keep it as a balance, okay, or mark as fully paid. If I click on mark as fully paid, the invoice will be fully paid and will ask me for account or discount account to put this 200 in. Okay, so that, for example, we will pay only 9,000, create payment. The status of the payment here is partial, okay, and the amount due for this vendor bill is only 200, okay, and also the balance for this vendor is 200 after the payment. Okay, let's go back to the inventory and check the product card for this item. Okay, we have here on hand 100 item. Okay, and the cost is automatically updating due to the purchase operation we made already from purchase. The cost is already taken from there. Okay, so that we have 100 item on hand in the main warehouse. Also, let's go back for the product card. If we click on purchase tab here, we're gonna find the last supplier estimate, the last purchase date and time, okay, and the last purchase price is 80 riyal. Okay. If we have a foreign currency, like we are importing goods from China or from India or from anywhere, we're gonna find here the last price and the exchange rate in here. Okay, and also the vendor data is automatically recorded on the product card. Okay, So the all purchase data is already recorded here. We can also, if we click on more, we're gonna found another options like analysis for this product, like 100 unit is purchased. Okay. The order reference, things like that. Okay, so during purchase operation, if we have any questions about purchase operations, guys, do you have any question about purchase workflow? Okay, do you have any questions, guys?
No. We already screen recorded this, so we will watch again. And if you have any doubt, we will let you know in the group.
Okay. Let's see also the reflection of the accounting application due to purchase operation. Okay, we have here the delivery note, which created when we confirmed the PO. Okay, let's go to accounting application, accounting journal entries. This is a journal entry for delivery note, which we received from the vendor. Okay, this is the journal entry. This is a contra account is used for receiving the products from the vendors, and this account will be closed when we created the vendor bill. Okay. So that we're gonna find here in stock input account, we're gonna find it. It's credit with 8,000 riyal. Okay, if we go to vendor bill, we're gonna find this account. If this account is closed with the same amount, a stock input account is debited with 8,000 riyal, and the VAT is added, and the total amount should be paid to the vendor is 9,200. That all these operations are reflecting to the accounting application. Okay. Here also from accounting application, we can show the partner ledger. Okay, we have here all partners we have. This is CMAT, the vendor we already bought from bought the products from. Okay, we're gonna find here the invoice or the vendor bill which we bought today from the vendor is 9,200 in credit side. We paid 9,000. Okay, so that the total balance will be 200. Okay, this is the account statement for the vendor. Also here in the top, we can filter by partner we want to show. Here is showing all the partners or all the balances we have, like receivable and payable. If I want to show only one, for example, CMAT, we're gonna here in the partner tab, we will filter using the partner name. Okay. So also let's go to sales workflow. Here the quotations we have on the system. Okay, we will create a new quotation if I want to sell a product to the customer. For example, we will sell to cash customer. Okay. The expiration of quotation date and the price list we have and the payment term, for example, we will select, for example, immediate payment. Okay, let's select the product we already bought. Okay, we're gonna find here the stock on hand is 100. Okay, the quantity the customer requested, for example, three items. The unit price here is 100 according to master data of the product. Okay. We can change it here. The unit price, for example, is, for example, to 95. Okay. So if we fulfill this quotation and the products the customer want, everything we want to fulfill here in the quotation, after that we will click on confirm. Okay. When I clicked on confirm, it creates a delivery note also for the customer, and the status is done. Okay. Here is the item, the demand, and the quantity which we sold to the customer, and this is the also customer invoice. Okay. Here from the quotation application, we can also print the invoice from here without going to invoices by clicking on here. We can click on print invoices. It will choose this choices like print, download, or open. Let's select, for example, open, and we will print it to the customer. Okay. Here also from quotation window, we can register the payment for the invoice, like we receive the amount of the invoice in cash. Okay. We will create also the payment. We're gonna find this quotation is or this sale order is marked as paid. Okay. If we go to invoices, also we're gonna find this invoice marked as paid. And also here in the payment tab, we're gonna find the payment which the customer made. Okay. So for example, this customer want to return one piece from the 3 pieces we have. We can click on return order here. Okay. We're gonna find the 2 choices like a partial return or full return. We said that he want to return only 1 item, so that we will select a partial return. Okay. And we will select the quantity here, for example, 1. Okay. We will click on return, so that there is 2 delivery note and 2 invoices now created on the system, 1 for delivery and 1 for return. This is the return for the item. Okay. The quantity is 1. And also here in the invoices, we're gonna find a credit note for this customer with sequence RINV. Okay, with the quantity and its price. Okay. So about sales workflow, do you have any questions about this?
Sir, if we don't have the stock, we can't make invoice, right?
Sorry?
If we don't have the stock in the in product, so we can't make invoice, right?
Yes, exactly. So let's try this one. For example, we will select a customer. Okay. Let's select any product which we have no quantity on hand.
Okay.
For example, this one, we don't have any stock. Okay. For example, here we want to sell 3 of this item with the price, for example, 15 riyal. Okay. So when I'm going to confirm, it says that we don't have enough stock for this item, and it will prevent me to create a delivery note or an invoice.
But Mr. Hussam, please.
Yes.
It's optional now.
Yes, exactly. It's optional. If we
Yes.
want to do deactivate this option, we can make it. No problem in that. It depends
Yes.
on your request.
Ashraf, ask him and activate or deactivate.
Ashraf?
He's the boss on the
Okay.
online.
So we can make sales on negative stock if you need. So it's according to the product category. We make a check on the product category that enables you to sell with negative stock. Okay. Okay, Mr. Hussam, you can complete. Okay, thank you.
Any question about the how to create an invoice and how to create also a return invoice for the customers?
How to create only quotation only?
Yes, we only create a quotation, then we will fulfill the data. Okay, then we click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, the delivery note will be created and validated, and also the customer invoice will be created and validated. Okay, we are creating just a quotation from sales. Okay.
How to show the cost price of the item?
Yes, we all okay. Let's check our list several items. For example, we have here the customer. We will select a customer cash. Okay.
Okay.
Let's select a products here. For example, this one. 5 items. Okay, we're gonna find the last up or the last price which we sold to this customer. Okay, is 95. We can list the products we want, depends on availability in the warehouse. Okay, for example, we have this product also in our warehouse. 10 items, 2 riyal. So we can list all the products the customer need here in the quotation. Okay.
No, sir. Actually, asking about that, we need to see the cost of the product. How can we see that?
The cost of the product, we can click on this tab. Okay. We're gonna find here the cost. We will mark it.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna find here the unit price and its cost in the same line. Okay. For example, this one cost is 10 riyal, so that we will sell 15, for example. Okay. After that, look, I will save only. Okay. Look at the top here. You're gonna find only 0